Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. There are two kinds of sugar or sweetener: artificial and natural. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin are easily available. They may carry potential damage to our body. There is some natural substitute for sugar that is much less harmful to us. Here is some natural alternative may you consider. Honey. Honey can lower the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol level in our body. Honey is rich in antioxidants, iron, zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, riboflavin, and vitamin B3, niacin. Jaggery. Jaggery is from sugar cane or palm trees and commonly used in Indian household. Expert says, jaggery can lower the levels of inhaled substance in the lungs. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar extracted from the coconut can be used as natural sweetener, as it has low sugar level. It is rich in iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, phosphorus and various antioxidants. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is made of maple tree sap and it is thick and liquidy. Maple syrup is also rich in calcium, potassium, iron, zinc and manganese. Dates. Dates is always available in the market and can be used as alternatively in sugar. Study shows it can reduce bad cholesterol in the body. Dates have a high amount of potassium, copper, iron, magnesium and vitamin B6. Thank for watching. Please leave your comment below.